What's going on, everyone? ggkickzz here, and today I'm going to be bringing you guys a very special review. Today we're going to be taking a look at the Jordan 5 Off-White. We saw this shoe first in the metallic colorway, aka the black colorway, that came out earlier this year in February. Came out February 15, 2020. Today we're going to be taking a look at the sail version, aka the fire red version, because you could obviously tell that Virgil got inspiration from the very OG of them all, the fire red 5. Silver tongue, come on man. 1990, come on man. Virgil vibes here. You guys already see the soles already yellow. I'm gonna be breaking down the shoe entirely, so don't miss out, guys. If you guys are new to the channel, make sure you guys smash that like button, smash that subscribe button, and also turn on that notification bell, man, because why would you want to miss this video? Come on. Off-White Jordan 5 in the sail colorway. This shoe has a lot going for it. As you guys can see, it's very crazy. You guys are probably thinking, bro, that's ugly. Like, what are you talking about? Why is there so much hype for this? The soles is already yellow, but that's just a vibe nowadays. If you guys are into fashion, that's just a vibe. The vintage, everybody wants to be from yesterday. Nobody wants to live in the present, so we're buying age shoes now. But the good thing is that you guys won't have to unyellow these soles. You could wear these as many times as you want. I know somebody who has the black version of these, the metallic version of these, and he wears them 24/7 and they look brand new because the material is not even leather, it's plastic. But I'm going to show you guys more when we get closer to the shoe. So let's take a closer look at the shoe. All right, guys, so here's a close-up on the box. Air Jordan 5 Retro SP, sail, fire red, size 10, made in China, Air Jordan logo. So Virgil took your normal Air Jordan 5 box and he just started stabbing it with a hole puncher, I guess, and put this little translucent plastic piece on them for an all-around exposure of the shoe. You guys can take a sneak peek. So here's the same paper we saw on the Air Jordan 1 Off-Whites. That nice translucent plasticky paper. Got your Jumpman and your Off-White branding all around. Wow. Very dope. I'm still in awe about this shoe. In the pictures, it doesn't really do it justice. When you have these in person, in hand, this is more of a sail color. I really thought that the shoe was just gonna be all yellow, but it's that, no pun intended, it's that off-white color literally all over the upper. And this shoe surprisingly does not have leather. You guys seen the metallics that came out earlier this year? Shoe was the same way, constructed with the same plasticky material here. So let's just start with the upper. You got your nice Jordan 23 here, and it looks to be like it's underneath this part right here, not actually in front of it, although you could still feel some texture to it. The Nike sign in the back as well. Got your Nike Air on the back, making this a OG, man. The back part on the heel right here is more of that off-white yellowish tint, as well as up here by the ankles. Surprisingly, this shoe comes with very minimal padding. Not sure how that's gonna feel on feet, but I'd imagine that this will feel more spacious since there's not all that padding. You guys know 5s bring so much padding on the ankles, around your heel, like just everywhere there's padding. On the tongue is a thick tongue. But this shoe right here is defying everything that we've usually seen on an Air Jordan 5. So the midsole, you got your nice black on the midsole, and you got your off-white air bubbles on the inside, if you guys can see that. Then you got your fire red on the spikes right here. Very, very nice touch. And also on the sole right here, the tip of the toe box is also translucent, but is in that black. It's like a translucent black all over the outsole. The outsole is a regular Air Jordan 5 outsole. Nothing too special here other than it's already that piss yellow so you guys don't have to worry about rocking these when it's raining out. That's a cool little touch. You could see some numbers back there. Probably one way to legit check these on the Nike sign. So you got your Nike written right there in the middle of the sole, where your Jumpman towards the toe box in that fire red color. So here is your little zip tie right there that is famous on the off-white shoes. It is also in that piss yellow. I'm trying to show you guys the tongue here, but the factory people literally just yanked that and it's very tight there, so you got to loosen them up a little bit. So there you have it. The shape is the same as every Air Jordan 5, but like I said, the padding is not there, is missing, and it also has another hole punched into it. He likes that hole theme. There's holes all over the shoe, but it actually makes it really dope if you got some nice cool socks underneath these, because you'll be able to see them. And also right here, I believe this should be 3M. Underneath that, you got your Air Jordan. Not Air Jordan, just Air Jordan, because they cut a hole in it, man. Literally cut a hole in it. Let's take out the laces right here so you guys could see. Shoelaces in quotation on these. The shoelaces that come on these is in that sail color. It's not white, but if you guys want to mix and match here, you got your red and black laces, also with the shoelace branding on them. Very dope touches to this shoe all around, man. You can't go wrong. Inside you got this kind of foam material. You guys have seen these in other off-whites as well. You got your foam all around instead of the padding. You got your piss yellow lace holders right here too, and you got your little bib as well in that yellow. These really do look nice on feet, guys. Here's a look at the other shoe. Same holes, same thing all around. Oh, this one actually doesn't have a hole on this tongue. Yeah, it doesn't have a hole on this tongue. It's pretty cool. So you got your full Jordan branding here, Air Jordan. The other one didn't have that because of the hole. It also comes with like this plasticky thing, this little piece of cardboard right there. Man, this is literally fire, man. I'm really digging these shoes, for sure, for sure. So these will be available to purchase on October 29th. These are going to be releasing on a Thursday, guys. So hopefully you guys got lucky. If you guys got lucky, make sure you guys comment down below and tell me what size you picked up. So my final thoughts on these off-whites, man. You guys might kill me in the comment section below, but I'm going to have to give these a 10 out of 10 because the wearability, the durability on this shoe is there. Like, you're really paying premium price for a shoe. And yeah, it's made out of plastic, and yeah, they probably made it for like 20 bucks, but you're gonna get a lot of wear out of this shoe, especially since it already has that vintage look. So any signs of wear would just look like it's a part of the shoe, if that makes any sense. The soles aren't gonna get yellow, like I mentioned before. The netting on the side won't get yellow, or on the other side, the eyelids, like, it's just gonna be kind of like this. But I really want to see in 20 years where this shoe would be and how is it gonna look. It's gonna be very dope to look back at all these sneakers and see just how far they came, just like everybody that used to collect them back in the day, with all the OGs that they have the midsoles falling apart and you have to sole swap them and everything. So it's literally going to be very interesting. And if you guys made it this far in the video, I want to thank you guys so much for watching. And also, if you haven't already, make sure you press that like button, that subscribe button, and that notification bell so you guys don't miss another fire video like this one. And I'll see you guys on the next one.